Next, I'm going to discuss about the trend method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that coincides. So I've taken four integer variable. First is n1, next n2, I, and j. So at here, three integer array type variable, and here first is a double r 1. So this is a double r 1. Next a double r 2. So this is a double r 2, and here a double r 3. So this is a double r 3. So at here I've given the size of array 15 and 25. So maximum you can enter 50 row and 25 columns. If you want, then you can increase the size. Hereafter control comes to this point, console class dot write method. So whatever in code that display into the output screen. Enter number of rows and columns of matrices, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n1 and n2. So at here I'm going to enter n1 value 3 and n2 value 3. Now hereafter control comes to this point, console class dot write line method. So this are displayed to the output screen. Hereafter control comes to for loop. Here I value start from 0, and that check the condition 0 less than n1 value or 3. Condition is true, that coincides. So at here j value start from 0. Here check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3. Condition is true, so that coincides. So at here a double or 1 0 0 position, let's into the element. So this is a double or 1 0 position, at 0 0 position I'm going to enter 9. Hereafter that go increase the value of j. So j is now 1. That check the condition 1 less than n2 value 3. Condition is to that coincides. So at a double or 1, I value 0, j value is 1. So let's enter a double or 0 1 position new element. So at here I'm going to enter 12. Now hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Also the condition 2 less than 3, condition is to that coincides. So at a double or 1, let's enter 0 2 position new element. So at here I'm going to enter 15. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not true, not coincide. So hereafter that go up, increase the value of I. So I is 1. And check the condition 1 less than n1 value 3, condition is to that coincides. So at j value start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3, condition is to that coincides. So 8 or 1. I value 1, j value is 0. So let's enter 8 or 1, 1 0 position new element. So at I'm going to enter 6. Hereafter j increase, so j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3, condition is to that coincides. So at here, let's enter a double r 1 1 position new element. So 1 1 position at here, I'm going to enter 10, and now again that increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than n2 value 3, condition is to that coincides. So at here, let's enter a double r 1 1 2 position new element. So at here, I'm going to enter 13. Now hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition not true, not coincide. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than n1 value 3, condition is 2, that coincide. J value start from 0 again. Here check the condition 0 less than 3, condition is 2, that coincides. So at a double or 1, I value this time 2. J value is 0, 2 0 position, let's enter element. So at I'm going to enter 16. Now hereafter that go up, increase the value of j. So j is now 1. Check the condition 1 less than 3, condition is 2, that coincides. So let's enter a double or 1 to 1% new element. So at here I'm going to enter 19. Now hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. J the condition 2 less than 3, condition is 2, so that coincide. Let's enter 8 or 1 to 2% new element. So at here I'm going to enter 21. Now hereafter that go up, increase the value of j. So j is, sorry, yeah, j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of I. So I is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. At your console cross dot write line method, so or this or display into the output screen, enter the second matrix. Here control comes to for loop. So at your I value and j value. So at your I value start from 0, check the condition 0 less than n1 value 3, condition is to that coincide. So at your j value start from 0, check the condition 0 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. So 8 or 2, 0 0 position. So at your int dot parse console dot readline. So this asset 8 or 2 0 0 position element. So at here I'm going to enter 4. Now next to that go increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. So at here 8 over 2 0 1 position, let's enter element. So at here I'm going to enter 6. Next j gonna increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3, condition is to that's coincide here. 8 over 2, let's enter 8 over 2 0 2 position new element. So here I'm going to enter 9. Now j is 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. Here after that go up, increase the value of I. So I is 1. Check the condition 1 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. So at here j start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. So let's enter 8 over 2 1 0 position new element. So at here 1 0 position I'm going to enter 3. Now hereafter j increase, so j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3, condition is 2 that coincides. So at 8 or 2, let's enter ij. I value is 1, j value is 1. So 8 over 2, 1 new element. So at I'm going to enter 5. Now hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3, condition is 2 that coincides. So let's enter 8 or 2, 2% new element. So at I'm going to enter 8. Now hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase. So I is 2. Check the condition 2 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. So at here j start from 0 again. And here check the condition 0 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. So at here 8 over 2, 2 0 position, let's enter element. So at here I'm going to enter or 10. And next j gonna increase, so j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. So at here let's enter 8 over 2 to 1% new element. So at here I'm going to enter or 12. Next that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3, condition is to that coincide. Let's enter 8 or 2% new element. So at here I'm going to enter 15. Hereafter j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of I. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not to not coincide. So hereafter control comes to this point. For loop I start from 0 and next inside j. So this is answer start from 0. So right here check the condition I start from 0, 0 less than n1 value 3, condition is true that coincide. So right here j start from 0 and here check the condition 0 less than 3, condition is true that coincide. So right here a double or 1 0 0 position or 0 0 position 9 is there and a minus a double or 2 or 0 position 4 is there. So 9 minus 4, the value come 5. So 5 go to a double or 3 0 position. So at this point 5 come. Next, that curve increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is to that coincide. So at a double or 1 0 position or position 12 minus a double or 2 position 6. So 12 minus 6, the value comes 6. So 6 go to 8 or 3, 0, 1. So at here, this place 6 come. And next, that increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is to that coincide. So at here, 8 or 1, 2 position of 15 minus 8 or 2, 2 position 9. So 15 minus 9, the value comes 6. So 6 go to 8 or 3, 2. So at here, 6 come. Now hereafter that co-op increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter that co-op increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is to that coincide. So at here j start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n to value 3. Condition is to that coincide. So at here 8 or 1. 1 0 position 6 minus 8 or 2 1 0 position 3. So 6 minus 3, the value come 3. So 3 go to 8 or 3, 1 0. So at 3 come. Next, that increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is to that coincide. So at 8 or 1, 1 position, 10 is the minus 8 or 2, 1 1. So 5 is there. So 10 minus 5, the value come 5. 5 go to 8 or 3, 1 1. So at 5 come. Next, that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at 8 or 1, 8 or 1, 1 2 position. So 1 2 position 13 minus 8 or 2, 1 2 position 8. So 13 minus 8, the value come 5. So 5 go to 8 or 3, 1 2. So at 5 come. Next to that increase the value of j. So j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is not true. Here that coincide j start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at 8 or 1. 2 0 position or 2 0 position 16 minus 8 or 2 2 0 position 10. So 16 minus 10, the value comes 6. So 6 go to 8 or 3 0. So at 6 come. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. So at here check the condition 0 less, 1 less than 3, condition is 2. So that coincides. So at here 8 or 1 to 1 position 19 minus 8 or 2 to 1 position 12. So 19 minus 12, the value comes 7. So 7 go to 8 or 3 to 1 position. So at here 7 come. Next, that co-op increase the value of j. So j is not 2. Check the condition 2 less than 2. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at your 8 or 1 to 2 position 21 minus 8 or 2 to 2 position 15. So 21 minus 15, the value comes 6. So 6 go to 8 or 3 to 2. So at your 6 come. Now hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. J the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is 3 now. J the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. So at your console cross dot write method. So this display into the output screen slash and then cursor bring to the neuron subtraction of two number matrix. Here I value start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than 3 condition is to that coincide j start from 0. So at here j start from 0 0 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at here 8 or 3 0 0 position. So at here 5 so 5 display and that concatenate the space. Hereafter j increase, so j is 1 now. J the condition 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at a console dot right. So 8 over or 3. So 0 1 position, 6 is there, 6 display and next that concatenate the space. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. J the condition 2 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So that coincide here 8 over or 3. So 0 2 position or 6 is there, 6 or display and concatenate the space. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. J the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So j start from 0 again. Here check the condition 0 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at a console dot right. So that display 8 R3 1 0 position element. So at here 6 or display. Next that increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincides. Console dot right 8 over 3 I value 1 j value is 1. So 1 position let's enter. So that display the element. So 5 display and concatenate the space. Hereafter j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 3 condition is to that coincides. So at 8 over 3. So 1 2 position 8 over 3 1 2 position 5 is there, 5 display and concatenate the space. Hereafter j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than or 3 condition is to that coincide. Hereafter j start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n2 value 3 condition is to that coincide. So at 8 or 3 2 1 2 0 position or 6. So 6 or display. Hereafter j increase, so j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3 condition is to that coincide. So at 8 or 3 to 1 position 7 display and concatenate the space. Hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is 2 now. So at check the condition 2 less than 3 condition is 2. So that coincides. So at 8 over 3 2 position I value is 2 j value is 2. So 2 position 6 is there, 6 or display and concatenate the space. Hereafter j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point console cross dot return method. So this take one input from keyboard and terminate the output screen. So this is the output we get. So I enter first time 8 or 1 element. So next I enter 8 or 2 these elements and after the subtraction I got the output this. So next time you should try to enter n2 value 4 or n2 n1 value 4. So do the same try and method so you will get the expected output. So this is the try and method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you next week.